This is confirmation that you need to cut these people off ASAP. Or that could happen to you right there. Look at that. There's people in your life that are really holding you back from your true potential. And you can get tied up with that. Just get away from them. This is definitely meant for somebody specific. Oh, listen, this is for somebody specific. Your cutoff game needs to be on point. Stop being around the bush and cut off that damn niggatron you hanging around. You know what I'm saying? Stop hanging around that Pookie and Ray Ray you've been feeling you've been having that feeling. You know what I'm saying? Emergency flashing red lights. Oh. It ain't for me, because I'm protected out here, heavenly and divinely, because I made space inside of my heart, inside of my vessel, in order for my angels, angelic ascendants, to even be able to be around me to protect me.